Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Deloitte Talent Park biggest hiring exam interview update. So many candidates DM me on Telegram that I also received the email from virtual walk-in interview for the role of data management analyst. Can you help, like what should we prepare for the interview? So tomorrow there are two companies exam is scheduled. So first is from Deloitte, there is a virtual walk-in interview. Okay, it is on 1st March, and from Unstopped Talent Park it is for like 24 to 27 batch. Let's start the video. This all opportunities are for all of you, and I am sharing the direct hiring link with all of you. Like and share the video with your friends. Okay, one of the most important point, you can check in the comment section that so many candidates mention that they got the interview mail that is related, and also candidates shared me update on today on like 6:54 p.m. and 7:33 p.m. Basically in the mail they mention that forward Deloitte virtual interview details, data management full-time opportunity. We are looking forward to connect with you. Virtual walk-in interview for 1st March 2024 at 1:30 p.m. Kindly be available for longer duration as the interview process include JAM, HR and VB. What does it means by JAM, HR and VB? Okay, we will share all the results. I will share all the important points. Those who have not shared the resume in PDF or doc format, kindly share before the jam session. Okay, please use the below link to name yourself for Zoom interview as per resume. If you applied for Deloitte within 6 months, please do not apply again. So one of the most important point, there is a cooling period. Okay, so it will totally depends on them whether they will allowed or not. So let's talk about our first important point, that is related to JAM. So basically JAM is just a minute interview round, and you can check these websites for reference. Okay, it is officially posted by their assistant manager talent at Deloitte India. So you can check this website like examination.com for Deloitte JAM interview preparation. Okay, so basically JAM is a just a minute interview round. In Deloitte JAM, you are giving a topic on the spot. You are giving 30 seconds to think on the topic and 1 minute to speak on the topic. It is basically like a speech by you. Once you are done, you will ask 2 to 3 questions on the topic based on what points you said. So basically they will give 1 minute. Okay, and you have to share your thoughts on that topic. Okay, as well as one of the most important point, like previously asked a jam topic in Deloitte, how can technology affect weather? Are startup just a trend? Drones, person you look up to, effect of AI and jobs, social media influences, AI and augmented reality, technology and farming. There are so many different topics you can check and prepare. Okay, like your communication skills is very important in this, because you have to tell one of the important points in the jam. So second is HR round. So basically HR round, there is a resume based, skills based questions will ask. Definitely you can simply check the Deloitte HR interview questions. Okay, just simply type on Google Deloitte HR interview question, in which they will ask about, tell me about yourself, why you choose Deloitte. Okay, what are the certification did you use, and you have to check the role based, means like in the mail they also mention the job description for the analyst role. So you can check this job description, like what are the core skills required, what are the business and soft skills required. Okay, and the third important thing is like VB. So VB is nothing like, it's a visual basics. So I suggest you to check the top 50 plus visual interview questions and answer for 24. It is very important. Okay, because you will check all the details that is related to VB. Okay, just like understand the concepts, basic concepts, VB क्या होता है, ठीक है, कैसे यूज़ होता है, क्या सारी चीज़ें हैं, इसके एप्लीकेशंस क्या है, इसके एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज क्या है, एंड कैसे टेक्नोलॉजीज इसमें यूज हो रही है. यू हैव टू चेक दिस. ओके, so basically many candidates applied for this opportunity, but only some received the shortlisting mail from Deloitte, because it is totally a skills based job opportunity. Okay, so best wishes for interview. And one of the most important point, I also received mail from the basically Unstopped Talent Park Tech. It is on Friday 1 March 1:55 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so directly you can check I already shared the link is in the like latest video. Till you can check this opportunity. This is good opportunity. Okay. The first round is MCQ plus coding assessment. So they mention hi online learning. Thank you for applying for Unstopped Talent Park, MCQ plus coding assessment, all the details related to that. So you can check and attend the test. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Best wishes for both examination interview. Thanks for watching the video.